So what if the United States suddenly decided to revalue its gold reserves? I know, sounds like something out of monetary sci-fi, but let's break down how this could actually play out and why it matters way more than you might think. First up, the official price reset. Right now, the US Treasury values its gold at $42 an ounce. Yeah, that's not a typo, $42. That number hasn't changed since bell-bottoms were in fashion. But if the Treasury wakes up and says, hey, let's use the real market price, which is about $3,400 today, the book value of America's gold explodes from about $11 billion to over $600 billion. No gold moves, nothing gets sold. But suddenly the government's balance sheet looks a whole lot stronger, and politicians have a shiny new talking point. Look, we cover more of our debt. Neat accounting trick, right? But let's say the US goes further and actually pegs the dollar to gold again. Like, every dollar is backed by a certain weight of gold in the vault. Well, to fully back the cash in circulation, gold would need to be priced at something like $73,000 an ounce. Not kidding. Even partial backing would mean gold shoots to 7 or even 15 grand an ounce. That would be a financial earthquake. Gold prices go wild, markets panic, and suddenly everyone's asking, is my money safe? Then there's strategic buying or selling. The Treasury could start buying gold in bulk to drive up its price or sell it off to stabilize markets. Imagine headlines, US sells gold at record highs to pay down debt. It's not just economics, it's pure narrative control. And if things get really wild, think crisis mode. Congress or the president could just issue an order, like FDR did in 1934, basically overnight. One signature and the price of gold, and the dollar's value, changes in a flash. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just about balance sheets. Revaluing gold is a financial weapon. The US could use it to counter rivals like Russia or China, who are stacking gold to hedge against the dollar. Or by pegging gold high, America could try to kneecap Bitcoin and other hard assets, reasserting gold as the ultimate reserve. Bottom line, gold revaluation isn't about finding hidden treasure. It's about power. It's about reshaping the global game and changing how the world sees and uses the dollar. Will it happen? Who knows? But if it does, get ready for the world of money to turn upside down.